Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Mixed Media Mayhem. This is the lift that we are doing today. It is Too Crafty Chipboard by Sabrina Turpin. I don't know. I apologize if I got that wrong. So it's just got one photo, lots of fun elements. Looks like some stamping or some texture pasting. I am going to pull in this stencil. I just threw another one on the ground. And we're going to do some texture paste with the Big Mamba texture paste. So we've got that. I've brought in these little Kingston crafts that I got at She Loves Color. And I'm going to be playing with one of, I believe, oh my word, one of January's scrap room kits, and I've also got the color cast designs. So I'm either gonna, I think I'm gonna do Hip Hip Hooray, because the photo that I'm gonna do has disappeared and it's gone now, is my lovely bestie. And she's holding the little dragon's hand and they're zenning together. We have so much stinking fun when we're together. So I'm going to mat with this. I know it's funny that I'm going to do that, but I think it's just going to give a pop, and then I'm going to mat with the pink. We're going to do the background as the green, and we're going to border it with that. And so let me get that stuff done, all adhered, and then we'll come back and we'll do some mixed media together. Alright, so I've got that done. I've got a rough square there. I'm going to use that one. And that's just a crafter workshop, so we're just going to go ahead and get that one put on there. And then get down here. So I'm just kind of working it in, because we didn't have a recipe, but it looks like there's some stamping and stuff in the background. But I decided that I haven't played with texture paste in a while, and I thought this would be a little bit more fun. And I like when we do lifts, because then it's really interesting to see what the rest of the gals do, what they create. I really want, like, I want to actually put one right there as well. So I want to, like, kind of connect them a little bit. Oh, hello. Trick is to just not push super hard where you're adding them, and then we're going to add one more right here. And since it is such a thin layer, it will dry fairly quickly. All right, so we're going to set that to the side. Come on, stay. I'm just going to wipe that off and put our lid back on this. And then you'll see, I keep all my mixed, like my texture pasting right there. Then this is going to sit right here, but we're going to do some fun splatters. I think we're going to go with a navy. I need to find my navy. I have all kinds of fun. Where's my dark blue? That might be fun. I know I have a dark blue. Isn't there a dark? Yes, called Night. I was pretty sure. And we're just gonna let this dry. So we're gonna mix that up. Oh, haven't used this one in a while. Okay, there we go. Whew. That was a struggle bus city. We're just gonna splatter around here. And splatter around there. With the night, so it's like a navy color. So it's gonna match what we got going on. And then we're gonna take the medieval. We're just gonna add a bit of the gray. I almost dropped that whole thing. We're just gonna splatter, splatter, splatter. And we're gonna let this completely dry. And then we're gonna come back and create the layout. So give me just a minute and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so kind of like the way that one. Hip hip hooray. Yeah, we'll use that for our title. My color cast design kits that I get every month. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna go with it. We're gonna put it right there. Everything is dry. I've got that popped up on some foam. We're just gonna get this glued down. We just got back. My husband's daughter's got her senior prom. So we just went and seen her and did some pictures. She graduates June 1st. Pretty sure I will be gone, but it's such a big school I wouldn't have been going to the graduation anyway. So it's gonna be my husband and his dad, and her mom and her mom. All right, what do we got going on that we can throw in here? I like this butterfly. It's just like little zen there with the flowers. For some reason, I feel like this chair is gonna work. And this we're gonna try to get in there. Okay. What do we have in here? There was one I just seen. It says "You amaze me." Didn't it? Didn't I see that? You amaze me. Yeah, we want to use that because you amaze me. So I feel like put that. And dangle this one down there. Yep, yep, yep. So we're gonna use a glue because we're going over all that mixed media. That's stuck down. I want to just put the little chair right there on the photo. I really don't know why. I just really like that little chair. And then okay, let's grab this little cluster of florals and stick it there. This one, we're gonna have to add some adhesive to it because of the texture paste. So we're just gonna tuck that right here. And then we're gonna stick that right over there. Now there is a little bit of trap space there, but it's not actually bothering me as bad as I thought it would. Let's get some so that these chairs are like together. And then I'll pop that little guy right there. Let's do the really fun You Amaze Me. I'm just going to stick that there. Always live as simply. We'll tuck right here because, you know, she's like being zen, right? Choose happiness. Sometimes we wake up and we choose violence, but that's okay. So this is my best friend, like my best friend. Like we have been best friends since grade school. And she's Riri number 2. So really, I'm going to put the 2 on there. Only me and her would ever get that. I'm going to write Riri right there. Where's my lid? We're not going to do a ton because I really like the mixed media. We're going to come in with a little bit of gold. And we are just going to go Ree. And then let's do... So we're just going to do all kinds of like weird, sketchy lines. So she's definitely the one that has had my back, and I've got her back all of our life. Like, it didn't matter how many years it had been since we had talked. If we called each other, we were there in a heartbeat. And that's just how we've been. But we do go shopping every few months and just hang out and have fun. We may not be able to, like, you know, see each other every day. That's okay. And let's just go ahead and stick a little leafy bit there, right? You guys, honestly, I'm gonna say, oh, you know what? No, I forgot. I wanted to add these little Kingston's Crafts guys in there. So we got one butterfly. We can do this little guy. Put him up here. Then we'll bring this guy. I'm just gonna stick him right there, kind of cover up some of that. And then we're gonna bring this darker one down here. I'm just going to go right on top of things. I panicked for a minute. I was like, no, what am I going to do with this? So do that. And then let's bring dark one there. And we'll get a dark one up here. All right. And that is going to do it for the layout. How cute is that? So don't forget to check everyone else out that's playing along with Mixed Media Mayhem. And if you do want to pick up the scrap room gifts, or the scrap room kits, not gifts, head over to the She's Crafty channel. Shannon Aller, she's one of my gal pals, and she actually has a code that you could use, so use her code. And that's you know, always use the codes, help support out our local lovely YouTube fam. And that's gonna do it. You guys, look how fun that is, and like textury and just cool. And I like lost sight of the lift a long time ago, but it's totally fine. That's gonna do it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll check you later with another video.